Welcome to another random YouTube video. I watch a lot of packing tip videos. The YouTuber that I find to give the most consistent and the most valuable information is Travel Tips by Laurie. She covers a wide variety of topics. Her husband is a pilot for a major airline. Her knowledge is solid and based on real-life experience. I'm definitely a lot more organized as a traveler because of Laurie. Two things I haven't mastered: how to only take 3 pairs of shoes and how to travel with only carry-on luggage if I'm going to be gone more than 3 nights. This video details how I packed for a recent 4-night trip. As I was attending events, I had to pack special outfits, and I packed a little bit more than usual. Do use a list. I have a master packing list saved on my computer. Modify the list depending on where I'm going and the time of the year. I pull all the clothes I think I want to take out of the closet, but leave them on the hangers. Next, I put the clothes I might take that are in drawers in a tote. I divide my clothes into groups: tops, bottoms, and dresses. Once I decide what I'm going to take, I roll my clothes. Tops go in one packing cube. Bottoms and dresses go in another packing cube. My undergarments and bathing suit, if I'm taking one, goes in a compression packing cube. I usually put my shoes in disposable shower caps and put them in a packing cube also. This time I did something a little different. I had enough Royal Crown containers for my shoes, so I put my shoes in those. I don't drink Royal Crown, but others in my family do. Then I put my shoes in a nylon backpack. Now I have the backpack to use if I need it during my trip. The one I used is from the company 31, and I have had it forever. When I get to my destination, I can decide if I want to live out of my suitcase, and the cubes keep my suitcase neat. I can also put the packing cubes directly in the drawers. In my suitcase, I use pouches and baggies so I can tuck those things into the sides around the cubes. I put the hangers in the tote so they are handy when my items are ready to be returned to my closet. I'll cover my toiletries in what I put in my carry-on another time. See the description for links.